Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? Students, welcome to single topic wise video. In such videos, we will be discussing a particular topic. And in this video, we are discussing Critical Minerals Innovation Hackathon. This is the initiative that has been recently launched by G. Kishan Reddy. Now students, you need to understand this hackathon. What does the term hackathon means? Hackathon is when a problem statement is given and various teams, they work together to provide solution to this problem, right? So when a team is working towards it and they give a better solution or they give a appropriate solution, then that team will be further funded also, right? That will be incubated, correct? And that startup or the team will be made sure that they work upon this solution that they provided, and if it is a right solution, correct? So this is a hackathon. So this is the hackathon that we are seeing on technology in critical minerals. We know critical minerals are very important. In today's world, you see every sector, be it your healthcare sector, artificial intelligence required data centers, they required critical minerals, electric vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, their batteries, that are the lithium ion batteries, they required critical minerals. Then if we talk about mobile phone manufacturing, in which we are seeing that India is promoting the mobile phone manufacturing at a large scale in India, in that also critical minerals are required, right? So everywhere these critical minerals are required. So India should work upon the technology, because we do not have the technology to process the critical minerals. For example, if we take the example of lithium, India can extract the lithium, but we cannot process the final lithium, right? That technology is with China and it has a monopoly. Even we are working upon certain technology in certain projects in India, where we are setting up a lithium or critical minerals recycling plants, where the critical minerals will be extracted from already existing materials, right? They will be used from, say for example, in mobile phones, old batteries, old mobile phones, old laptops, from them these materials will be extracted and recycled and used, right? So this is the Critical Minerals Innovation Hackathon that will promote innovation and develop technology based solutions for strengthening India's critical minerals ecosystem. Here if we talk about this was organized by Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Center of Nagpur, Maharashtra, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Mines. The two key problem statements upon which this hackathon was conducted and the teams will be finding solutions is developing a mineral prosperity mapping using open source data to identify potential lithium and rare earth element pegmatite zone with validation against known mineral occurrences, and smart technology and patent tracker, a web-based research and development and patent tracking system for critical minerals. So these are the two problem statements on which the teams will be providing solutions. Here if we see the participation, the hackathon supports National Critical Mineral Mission by engaging students, researchers, academic and research and development institutions, startups and innovators to develop solutions for the critical mineral sector. The idea submission deadline is 20th September, while the winners will be announced during the India Mining Week, scheduled from 15th to 17th of November. For each problem statement, winners will receive a first prize of 1.5 lakh rupees, second prize 1 lakh rupees, along with expert mentorship opportunity to showcase innovative ideas and a chance to contribute to India's critical mineral security framework. Also, two winning teams will be awarded prize for each problem statement. That means for every problem statement that we saw, two problem statement, each of the problem statement will have two solutions and two teams will be awarded for the same. So this is our topic for the day, students. For more such topic, we upload daily single topic videos which are beneficial for you all, so do watch them regularly.